everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles and today's video is a vlog video. So right now I'm outside of Carrabba's. I just got done recording a video and visiting my grandmother in the nursing home. It was really good to see her. She's actually coming home in a few days, so that will be exciting. But yeah, I'm about to go in and eat. And did I tell you all I just recorded a video? If not, I did just record a video about affiliate links. So if you are interested in learning how to make more income, be sure to check out that video. I do want to remind you all to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get into it. Hey there, so I'm picking up the vlog a few days later. The last time that you all saw me, I was going into Carrabba's to eat. Actually, I was actually in Carrabba's eating. I think I recorded that footage too. So it's been a few days, so I apologize. I just got done recording a video in the car, and this video was going over a question that I got in regards to hair business. It was asking something along the lines of, can my business still be successful while having a no refund policy? And so I answered that question and broke it down like I typically do in my videos, just going over my perspective, my opinions, recommendations, tips, and things like that. I brought my laptop with me so that I could have my notes with me while I was recording the video, because I'm recording off of my phone, and my son has my tablet right now, so I'm trying to do the best that I can. Right now I'm actually on the road, not on the road, but I'm driving to go to a tire. I need to go to the bank first, get some money out, and then I'm going to go to a tire shop and get some new tires on my car. The weather here in Michigan is different, so it's been snowing on and off, but it's different than where I live down south, obviously. So I could get away with tires that aren't as, I can get away with like older tires down south than I can up here, because up here it snows and it's been pretty icy. So that's what I'm doing right now. I wanted to pick up the vlog and continue to vlog. I did mention in my last video that I recorded, that'll probably be up before this vlog is recorded, that I'm going to be doing a lot more of my content, business video tips and things like that, in that area. Business tips, motivation videos, finance videos, just more so like the content that I used to do a few years ago. I'm going to be doing more of that now that Vlogmas is over. When I do polls on this channel, like on my community tab, and ask you all what you want to see, a lot of people voted for vlogs, and I really appreciate that. But there are a lot of people that still email me like, hey, I really miss your videos in regards to business related topics. So I want to do more of those too. And since I just did Vlogmas, if you are someone that enjoys the vlogs, I encourage you to please go to my vlog playlist, because I have tons of videos in there now. I have standard vlogs that I was doing throughout the year and last year, and then I have a whole Vlogmas set that you can watch from last year, and then another Vlogmas set of videos that you can watch from this year. So I have tons and tons of vlogs. I also have tons of business related videos, but I just wanted to say that as a disclosure, that I'm going to be doing more businessy type of videos. I do need to get coffee as well, so I'm going to go ahead and make it to the bank. I don't think I'll vlog that portion, and then I'll stop and get coffee either from McDonald's or Starbucks, and then I'll probably pick you all back up once I'm headed to the car shop, or once I'm leaving the car shop. I don't know this, like I've never been to this particular shop. I think that it's like outside of, I don't know if it's outside of someone's home or not, so I don't know. I have to go by and see how it actually looks, because I found them just Googling used tire places by me. So hopefully everything works out well. I do not know the size of my tire. I know there's a way to tell the size of your tire, but I honestly forgot. So I'll have him look at that when I get there. But let me go ahead and wrap up this portion of the video, and I'll be all right. So I'm now at Starbucks, and I'm trying to get better at wearing my mask in. That's why I have it like stuck to my ear so I don't forget to put it on when I go in. But I'm at Starbucks. I just got an Irish cream cold brew with caramel brulee syrup in it, and I got a birthday cake pop. I actually did a review on the caramel brulee latte, so if you want to see that video, make sure you check it out after this vlog. And yeah, as soon as I get this, I'll pick you all back up and we'll head to the, did I go to the bank? Yeah, went to the bank already. Head to the tire shop. I hate touching money, I really do, but I got just touched it again. But I got a little bit of money out. I got $80 out, 44. I think he said it's like, yeah, 40 for each tire. So I'm gonna get two used tires. They're new to me, but old or used. You know what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna get those tires put on, and I'm gonna go back to my mom's for a little bit, do some editing, get this video that I need to have uploaded, the video I was telling you all about in the beginning of this video, in regards to can you still have a successful hair business with a no refund policy. I need to get that out, edited and out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video for tomorrow, and then I'll go ahead and create my content videos for the remaining days of the week. So that's what I'm doing right now. I will pick you all back up in a little bit. Okay, so I'm actually at I thought it was like a house or something, but it's actually like a car repair shop, a full shop. So park really quick, and then I'm gonna go in. I just need two new used tires. All right, so he said that I only need one new tire or one new used tire, so that's really good. I'm about to sit here and answer some of my emails while I am waiting. Someone asked me in person, not via email or anything like that, like how do I work without being connected to Wi-Fi. I'm connected through my phone's hotspot, so that's how I'm able to work like wherever I'm at. I can work in the car or, you know, pretty much anywhere as long as I'm connected to my hotspot that's on my phone. So I would consider investing in a hotspot if you are going to be working on the go. That's really helped me. But just to give you an idea of what I'm going to be talking about in my videos going forward, like through this week, I just made a video going over how to sell hair with a no refund policy in place. I'm going to be going over 3 products / services that every entrepreneur should consider with no inventory involved. I'm going to be going over how to use your assets as collateral, why your co-signer with good credit was denied. I'm going to go over some financial awareness videos and tips in those videos, and then I'm also going to go over how to recover abandoned cart emails, how to recover abandoned carts, not even emails, how to recover abandoned carts. And I'm going to have screenshots in there, like in the video, to show you all my success on recovering abandoned carts as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work replying to emails. All right, so I did not know I was that shop actually didn't have my tire size. So I went to another shop and they weren't there. So what I'm going to do now is ride over to AutoZone, and I'm going to get my blinker light fixed, and then I will pick you all back up in a minute. All right, so I'm here outside of AutoZone, and I'm going to go ahead and go in so I can get my blinker light fixed finally. All right, so today is a few days after I last vlogged. I've been doing more content videos, and I haven't done a vlog in a few days. So this is like I mentioned, like a running vlog. I think this is over the course of maybe 3-4 days. So if you haven't checked out any of my other videos after you watch this video, be sure to check them out, especially if you are into more content like business tips, hair business, information in general, business information as well. Those videos are on this channel, and I have lots more already pre-planned for you all. So make sure that you are subscribed and that your post notifications are turned on if they're not already. But what I'm doing right now is I'm going through my abandoned carts, which I do very frequently because I want to make sure that all of the attempts to recover my abandoned carts are recovered. So what I'm doing right now is just showing you all how many were recovered. So I do take my abandoned carts very seriously, and it really does help to capture, I want to say, low-hanging fruit, so to speak. And that's a term that I used to use when I was still in sales, but like working for different call centers and different companies. A lot of times people don't really scrub accounts, and I guess I'm using more sales terminology, but they really don't look at the full picture and all the opportunities associated with one one customer, one client, one account. So that's what I try to do. When I do see someone that goes to my website and they don't finish their purchase initially, I'm researching the pages that they went to, if that's applicable. I'm researching any chats, emails, text messages, and I'm also setting my system up to do automatic like emails to remind them of their cart, and also to urge them to continue checking out. And then I also send up a follow-up email to encourage the purchase as well, while offering my assistance and offering different like payment options that are available if applicable. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm probably going to go ahead and wrap up the vlog here just because I've been vlogging for a few days now. Yeah, wrap it up here, and then the next videos that you'll see on this channel will probably be more content related videos. And vlogs are content, if you want to say that. They are. Everything that you post is technically content, but when I say content, I'm referring to like my more focused videos. So if it's focused on a specific topic, like sales tips or business tutorials or overviews and things like that, then that's what I'm considering content. But if you all have any questions or any other video suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. I do want to thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.